All right, quick little update on the 240. It died. I'm currently on the side of the road, and I'm assuming it's a fuel pump issue. I don't really know yet, but I went ahead and made a fuel pump relay bypass just to make sure, because every now and again when I turn the key and I'm holding the relay, sometimes it clicks, sometimes it doesn't. So I've created this little bypass switch wire in order to bypass the relay. I have the relay here. We're going to hook it up to pin connector on the connector itself. We're going to hook it up to 30 for the 12 volts. We're going to hook it up to 87.1 for the ECU and the injectors, and to 87.2 for the pump. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now and see how that works out. All right, I went ahead and hooked it up. ¡Cuidado! ¡Lo va a prender! Doesn't sound like it's the pump. The pump is running. More than likely, it's the coolant temp sensor. I'm gonna give it one more go. Well, that didn't work, so it's not the pump, it's not the ECU, and it's not the injectors. More than likely, it's the coolant temperature sensor, because I have been noticing that it's been having some issues. I've been having a lot of cold start issues with this guy, but this little tool is a great way to test your fuel pump and your injectors. Unfortunately, we weren't able to get it running. Here we are, side of the road. This is the car my dad drives, so that's my 740. So I got a tow truck on the way, and I'm gonna work on replacing that sensor. Fun times. Keep moving forward.